right, welcome to Little River DIY. I'm going to give you a quick layout of what this channel is going to be about. We've already started it, but we haven't really ramped it up to where we want to go, and I want to explain to you where that is. So if you don't know, we have our Little River Woodworking, which we're over 8,000 subs now, and that's where we're going to continue to do our projects of showing you how to build stuff and giving you every piece of information you need to do it. We're not going to stop doing that. Some of that is going to come over to this channel, I think. Some of the more simplified stuff is going to come over here. We're going to try to focus a little bit more on some of the maybe inside stuff on the other channel, maybe some of the outside stuff like planters and benches and stuff on this channel. But more than that, we're bringing you into my career a little bit, which is a satellite installer / security cameras, networking, point to point, all that fun stuff. Also, I'm a contractor, handyman, if you will. We have to do a ton of renovations around here. And the reason why I wanted to start this channel was because it's a lot of cool things that I can kind of show you and put out there that we just can't do on the woodworking channel because it's a woodworking channel. We don't want it to be all over the place. This is the channel for that. We're going to go all over the place with this one. So I'm going to show you all the renos that we're doing around here, which is a lot. To renovate the rest of the garage, which if you have watched the other channel, you've seen this all kind of change over the last 9 months. We have a whole house to renovate. I got to do the roof. I got a lot of stuff to do. And so we're going to have fun with it. And we're going to be a little bit looser on this channel. Like I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but I kind of want to build like a catapult. And I'm not going to do that on the woodworking channel. It's just a little bit too off the wall for that. This is just a quick video just to kind of give you a heads up as to what we're going on here. Thanks to our Starlink install video, we have our hours for our monetization. We're just trying to get the subs up to 1,000. Hopefully we can do that with your help, and we can get this channel off to the races. Everything we make off the channel, same as the other one, we're just going to throw it back into the channel as far as finances are concerned with our ad revenue. Just keep putting it back in. That is why this channel is starting out with a much nicer camera setup. The lighting, the microphone, everything is much better than we started out with the other channel because everything that we had made from the other channel we put into it, and we're obviously going to transfer those tools over to this one as well. Hopefully you'll subscribe to both and check out what we're doing, and we just going to keep it very interactive and all about kind of what you guys and what we kind of want. And same as the other channel, you're not going to see me doing shilling for anybody. I will do product reviews. If somebody sends me tools, I'll check them out or whatever, but nobody's going to tell me what to say. That's never going to happen. Okay? So, having said all of that, have you clicked subscribe yet?